Have you ever seen a TikTok life hack and thought, wow, that looks amazing, only to try and realize it's completely useless? Yeah, we've all been there. Welcome to Profit Powerhouse, where today, we're breaking down some of the most viral yet pointless TikTok life hacks that do nothing but waste your time. From fake cleaning tricks to absurd food experiments, we'll reveal why these hacks don't work and why you should never try them. So, buckle up, because some of these are going to leave you shocked. Let's get into it. Ever scrolled through TikTok and thought, wait, what did I just watch? Life hacks are supposed to make things easier, right? But some of these so-called brilliant ideas are just straight up useless. From ridiculous kitchen tricks to bizarre DIY solutions, today on Profit Powerhouse, we're breaking down the TikTok life hacks that should never have gone viral. Let's get into it. Section 1. The Ice Cube Ironing Disaster. Let's start with a classic: getting wrinkles out of clothes using an ice cube. The idea: toss an ice cube into the dryer, and boom, wrinkle-free clothes. But let's be real, all you're getting is damp fabric and disappointment. If you really want wrinkle-free clothes, just use an actual iron or a steamer. Way faster and actually works. Section 2. The toothpaste phone screen fix. This one hurts my soul. The claim: toothpaste magically erases scratches from your phone screen. But guess what? It doesn't. All it does is create a minty mess and possibly damage the screen further. If you've got scratches, invest in a proper screen repair kit or, a screen protector before the damage happens. Section 3. The No Glue Stick Lip Balm. This one takes DIY to a whole new level of bad ideas. Cleaning out an old glue stick container and filling it with lip balm sounds creative, but it's a bacterial disaster waiting to happen. You're better off just buying a proper lip balm, trust me. Your lips will thank you. Section 4. The Sock Mop Madness. Who needs an actual mop when you can just slide around in dirty socks, right? Wrong. This hack is basically just shuffling dirt around. You're not cleaning anything. You're just making your socks disgusting. Want a real hack? Use microfiber cloths or, an actual mop. Section 5. The spoon eyeliner trick. This one went viral, and I still don't understand why. Using a spoon to get the perfect eyeliner wing sounds cool in theory, but in reality, it's just awkward, time-consuming, and rarely works. If you want a sharp wing, try an actual eyeliner stencil, or better yet, just practice freehand. It's faster, easier, and doesn't involve balancing cutlery on your face. Section 6. The avocado seed preserver. The idea: leaving the pit in a cut avocado prevents it from browning. Sounds logical, right? Nope. Only the part directly under the seed stays green. The rest still turns into an unappetizing brown mess. If you want to keep your avocado fresh, just use lemon juice and an airtight container. Section 7. The banana peel teeth whitening trick. This one's straight up weird. Rubbing banana peel on your teeth supposedly whitens them, but does it actually work? Absolutely not. You'll just be left with banana mush in your mouth. If you want white teeth, go for whitening strips or visit your dentist. Please, leave bananas for smoothies. Section 8. The no soap dishwashing hack. TikTok loves telling us we don't need soap to wash dishes, just hot water and a sponge. But let's be real, unless you enjoy eating yesterday's grease, soap is non-negotiable. This hack is just an excuse to be lazy. Use soap always. Section 9. The candlelit scented room hack. This one is not just useless, it's actually dangerous. Heating perfume over a flame releases chemicals into the air, and inhaling that is definitely not good for you. If you want a nice smelling room, get a diffuser or a scented candle. Don't play scientist with your perfume. Section 10. Final thoughts. TikTok hacks that actually work. So, not all TikTok life hacks are bad, but some completely useless. If you've ever tried a viral hack that turned out to be a total fail, let us know in the comments. And if you found this video entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Profit Powerhouse for more eye-opening content. See you in the next one.